Let me guess. You're wondering how to navigate the Canva homepage? Well, wonder no more. Because in this tutorial, we'll be doing just that. We're learning how to navigate the Canva homepage. Hey, I'm Aduky, a Canva designer who has been discovering the app for 6 years and counting. Welcome to my design workshop, your one-stop shop for bite-sized basic Canva lessons, created to simplify the design learning journey for complete beginners. Let's go. Welcome back to the Canva homepage. We're taking a look at templates right underneath the project section. Clicking on this will open up millions of templates that we can search through. We have the search bar that is working together with this templates button highlighted right here. Once we click on the search bar and search for a specific type of template, we will have it pulled up. Let me type in marketing proposal, for instance. Oops, what on earth? Proposal. Press enter. We have here category. You'll see all categories and proposal because we've searched proposal. And then style, I can look through any of these styles to further narrow down the kind of template that I'm going for. So let's select corporate. It will pull up corporate marketing proposal templates. Here are the options that you can choose from to now customize inside the Canva editor. I'm going to select this one, which is a pro template and therefore contains paid elements. What happens is if I use this template at the end when I'm downloading, I would have to pay for the paid elements included in the design. So I'm going to close this up and find a template that is free, like this one right here. Clicking on that will first of all show me the title of the template. It says Beige Minimalist Business Marketing Proposal. The type, it's a proposal, it's a portrait format, and the dimensions are also over here. It is under brand and it is created by Dirty Line Studio. You can also follow this creator so that you will be able to see the different designs that they have. Clicking on customize this template will take us straight into the editor and we can get to work. Clicking on this star right here will put the template in the starred folder for easy access. So, it's like your favorites. So if I star this, it will see it says here starred. I can view it in the starred folder right here. I have 2 templates in the starred folder. Now to go back, I will just click on the arrow at the top and it will bring me back to the template section. Next, let's close this filter section. Let's clear it. Clear our search by clicking on this X, and then let's minimize the search bar and it will bring us back to our templates that we can explore. We have here presentation, Instagram post, poster, Instagram story, resume, video, email, invitation, logo, mobile video, flyer, Facebook post, brochure, business card, menu, photo collage. Let's click on the arrow. It takes us to the other, lets us see more options. So we have doc, whiteboard, website, and sheet. Here are some of the templates you can easily explore. Clicking on any of these will pull up that specific type of templates. For example, I'm gonna click on Instagram story. Let's see what happens. Here we have Instagram story. So from this section, you're able to create from scratch by clicking on this plus button here. It says create blank, and you're able to select any of these options that you'll see under the Instagram story template section. category. And again, in the search bar, we have style. You can select from any of these and you'll get, for instance, if I select classic, it will show me these options, which are under the classic category. I'm going to clear the filter now and head back to the template page. So that's how it works on here. You can go through the templates, select a template that you'd like to work with. I'm just taking us through some of the options here. And once you select it, it will take you inside the editor and you can work your magic. All right. That's pretty much it for the template section. Pretty straightforward, easy to navigate, and easy to go through the options that you would like to work with. Let's scroll through the page. First, we have these options that you can scroll through. Same thing that we saw on the home page. It's always there. Then we have Discover Canva. So these are some of the Canva templates that you can choose from. And then we have trending near you. So depending on your region, it will show you trending templates. Then we have what's new. Here you have create stylish Instagram posts, design your next celebration, discover Disney template, build and grow your business. You can click on the arrow to see the different things that you can work with. It says nail your next presentation. You know this has to do with presentations, and then trending social media posts. So that's what you can find under the what's new section. It will show you all the ideas that are trending. Then you have more templates. The list is endless. That's pretty much it for the templates section. Remember, we have that question mark that allows you to find help whenever you need it. Come over here. It says get help with anything Canva. Fast answers powered by AI. If you don't find help, you can visit the help center right over here. There's the link. I'm going to close this up, and that's all for the templates section. Now go on ahead, explore, and get creative.